So dapat may lakad kami today with everyone, with all the boys. Paano kami lalakad lahat kung ito na naman si Henry, kagigising niya lang. Ayan, nag-aararo na naman. Hello, Lakay! Kagigising mo lang, nag-aararo na naman. My gosh! So he worked for 7 days. At ayan, kagigising niya lang. Araro pa more. Sige. Yung kanyang hacienda. Goodness. Ayun si Henry, kagigising niya lang. Araro ka agad yung inatupad niya. Ganyan siya. I think even sa panaginip niya, nagtatrabaho pa rin. So he worked for 7 days straight. And ayun na naman siya. Talagang naging na. Like we are supposed to meet my kids. Para celebrate yung last day of school. But here he is. Nag-aararo na naman. Yung mga project niya, may dami pang tatapusin.